service for the following counties in California: Butte, Glen, and Tehama. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a tornado warning for West Central Butte County in Northern California, extreme northeastern Glen County in Northern California, South Central Tehama County in Northern California. This includes the city of Corning until 2:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 2:12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Vina, or 6 miles east of Corning, moving east at 5 miles per hour. When a tornado warning is issued, based on Doppler radar, it means that strong rotation has been detected in the storm. A tornado may already be on the ground, or is expected to develop shortly. If you are in the path of this dangerous storm, move indoors into the lowest level of the building. Stay away from windows. If driving, do not seek shelter under a highway overpass. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Pacific Standard